Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lala. So today I want to be discussing a very important topic. I found out that a lot of people find it very difficult getting the right bra cup size in the market for corset. So this is what a bra cup looks like here. But a lot of times people buy the wrong size or they don't know how to go about it. So in this very short video, I'll be showing us things you need to consider before you buy a bra cup. Okay, the size, one or two tricks rather, and then if you're a plus size, you also have an alternative. Okay, so let's get started. Okay guys, so this is what a bra cup looks like. So there's this type you can also find that is circular, okay, it's round like a circle. You understand? So but most of the times people use that for probably bustiers, just to like pad, give their bustier more like extra support. But this is strictly for corsets. Okay, and then you can also use this for bustiers anyway. Probably I'll do a video sometime very soon on how you can use this instead of using wolding or bra foam for your regular princess darts, your Igbo blouse, any kind of blouse. You can actually use this to pad. It's faster, it's quicker, it's more firm, it gives the blouse more shape, you know. So but we're talking about corsets today. Now for the size, now the first mistake people make is they want to buy the bra cup based on their bust size. Okay, now you know everybody has a bust circumference, measurement. Now I'm going to be using myself as an example. My bust circumference measurement is 38 inches. If I'm going to buy a bra foam, okay, now for your bra foam, they come in different sizes, right? So I'm going to show us something, though I'm not sure if you can see it. For the bra foam, you have two edges here. The two edges here, you can see how it looks like. Can you see? This is how it looks like. So on, on one edge of the bra foam here, you're going to see a number here. You're going to see a number here. So I know because of the camera we might not see very well, but the number here is 42. 42. This is 42 inches. Now this does not imply that if your bust circumference is 42 inches, then you should go 40. Then you should buy 42 inches. No, that's not what it means. You know, all these bra cups just come in sizes. Okay, it just comes in different numbers. I beg your pardon. So if you're going to make a corset, okay, let me use me as an example. If I'm going to make a corset now, I said my bust circumference is 38 inches, right? I'm not going to buy 38. Why is that? Now if you're making a corset, okay, ideally if you're making a corset is supposed to like just go over your bust slightly, like over your busts, like that. Okay, but most of the time, most of the corsets we make in Nigeria or African countries or anywhere, we make them because we want to be able to wear them out. So you're not able to make corsets that are that low. Do you understand? So what am I trying to say? When you draw your corset pattern, when you draft a corset pattern, okay, and you draft out the cup, you bring out the cups. By the time you join the two pieces together, I mean the cups now on the fabric, when you join them together, okay, like I said, my bust is 38. If I go ahead and buy 38 inches, you know, I buy a bra cup that is written 38 inches here, and I place the fabric on the cup. Just try it out. You will find out that the fabric will be far bigger than the cup. Just try it out. You will find out. That is why I said when you want to buy the bra cup, don't follow this number here. It's just a number. Don't follow it. Okay. So for instance, now my bust circumference is 38. What I usually buy is I buy 42. I buy 44. So it's an advice. If you want to buy a bra cup for your size, always buy a bra cup that is like 4 inches above your normal size. So if your bust is probably 32, your bust circumference is 32, you can go ahead and buy 36 or even 38. If your bust circumference is 34, you can go ahead and buy 38. Okay. Now so far, I stand to be corrected. The highest number I've seen so far for this type of bra cup is 44. So what that means is people that can use this bra cup size of 44 are people that their bust circumference is 40 inches, okay? Except in exceptional cases. You know, sometimes you can have two people with the same bust circumference, okay? But it doesn't mean they have the same bust size. I don't know that I'm making sense. What I'm saying is, two people, you can have one person that the person's back measurement is very small, but the person is very busty. Do you understand? So it means by the time you judge the person's pattern, the cup tends to be bigger. And you can also have someone that the person's back is broad but has small busts. So when you just have the pattern from the person's corset on the fabric, the cup will actually fit. But to be on the safe side, that is you know, that's what I use. That's what we use in our fashion school. That's what I teach my students. Okay, when you're buying bra cup, buy a bra cup that is 4 inches above your normal bust circumference measurement. So I hope that is fine. So now, for the sewing tip number one of the reasons why you should buy a bigger cup is number one, so that your fabric can cover the cup. That's one. Then second sewing tip, you could actually just put the fabric directly and then sew, but you know, the cup comes out better again when if you fold your cup like this into two. Sorry, we're not doing a sewing tutorial this morning, okay? If you put a cup like this into two, you can actually sew a small that. So you just measure like ½ inch away from here. Don't worry, I'm going to show us. Yeah, this is it here. Let me bring that to the camera, or let me take it back. Okay, good. So you can just measure ½ inch and sew something like a dart. So when you do this, it gives the cup, can you see? Can you see? I'm not even sewing, I'm just using my hand to hold it down. So it gives the cup one kind of shape, you see? So that's one. Then secondly, when you're sewing, when you place the fabric on the cup, make sure the fabric is at least ½ inch bigger than the cup itself. So it means when you place your fabric on the cup, okay, the fabric must come out here by ½ inch round. What am I saying? The fabric should be bigger than the cup with ½ inch round. So if you place your fabric on the cup you're using and you find out that the cup is bigger than the fabric, it's very simple. Just take your scissors and trim the cup. Just trim it round. Just trim it. Because if the fabric and the cup are of the same length and you finish sewing on the seam line, it's going to be very bulky, especially around the bust area. Your fabric will not lie flat. It won't lie flat. Okay, so that's the second. Is that the second or third tip now? Yeah. So, but using cups is very good. Now, like I said, so far so good. I've only seen size 44 with this cup. So if you're someone that is busty or you can't find your cup size in the market, you could actually use bra foam. I've done several videos on how to use a bra foam. So this is a bra foam here. Okay, I'll drop in the link in the description box. You can order for it on Amazon if you're still outside Nigeria. Even the bra cups is on Amazon. I'll drop the link for you to buy it on Amazon. So this is the bra cup and this is the bra foam. So it comes in different colors. But if you're in Nigeria, come on, you can go to any markets. You see bra foam. This is bra foam. Sorry, bra foam and bra cup. Then this bra foam, some people use it for hip padding. Yeah, you can also use this bra foam for your boosty, your princess dart, blah blah blah. You can use this also for your boosties and all of that. So I hope this video was very helpful. If this is your first time of watching a video on the channel, please subscribe, leave your comment and reactions, and of course I'll be dropping some links of my old videos. If you missed any of them, just watch. And if you have any inquiries, you can just send a mail to wearlala@gmail.com. I will drop that in the description box. You can also check Instagram. I have loads of tutorials on Instagram, loads. Just check it out. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.